How to change name in Facebook. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the menu icon or tree dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu section of Facebook. Once there, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available there. Once inside the settings and privacy, tap on the settings. Again, inside the settings, all you have to do is tap on the account center at the top. And once you tap on the account center, tap on your profile name at the top. Once you tap on your profile, you will be navigated to your profile section again. And there, all you have to do is tap on your profile again. Now, tap on the name option available there. Once you tap on the name, you will be navigated to change your name section. Here all you have to do is remove your previous name and write down the new name of yours. You can write down the first name, middle name and the last name. So let me just add my name and show you. Then all you have to do is tap on the change or done option available there. And that is it. Now simply choose how you would like to show your name. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.